Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, I'm back with the updates on TCS Smart and Ignite hiring and to answer all the queries that we have got in the last video. So before we begin about comments, I want to share one thing with you that we have created a course on advanced Excel. See, Excel is one of the skill. Basically, data analysis is one of the skill that every corporate person should know, and this is the most needed skill as a corporate professional, because you need to handle data, be it in any project. So we have created a course. One of our team member, Harshita Agrawal, she is a CA and CS both, and she has also worked in STFC and Kotak Bank. She has created this course, and it is very practical. It has all the important topics that you should know. Out of her experience, she has created this course. These are the topics, and every topic has a practice sheet that you can practice after watching that video. So this course will help you if you want to learn Excel. And then we have kept the pricing very low so that people can afford it. So I think if you want to learn Excel and be good at data analysis, I would recommend you to do this course. And we have our own app at App Store and Google Play by the name CareerKunj. So you can download that and watch the course in that as well. But it would be advised to do the course in laptop so that you can practice it at the same time on the Excel sheet. So this is one good course that we have created, and I would recommend you. All right, and you can get this course from the link given in the description section. Now, moving on to the comments, let's take it one by one. Before I start on the comment, let me tell you the students who are waiting for TCS NQT results. The NQT results have not came out yet, and I think it has been very long that they have not released it. So it is being held intentionally. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि इतने टाइम तक रिजल्ट नहीं आया है. So the leadership has holded it intentionally, and when they will release, nobody knows. I have checked with many people, so nobody knows the exact date. And when things are intentionally holded, हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है, फिर कोई नहीं बता पाता कब आएगा. Even the students who have given their interviews of Ignite and Smart Hiring in July and August have got their result, but NQT results interviews that happen in May June, उनका result अभी तक majority का declare नहीं किया है. So that is really disappointing from TCS side. But when it will come, I don't know. But whenever I will get an update, I will definitely make a video. I'm just waiting for a concrete update so that I can tell you with some confidence, because it doesn't make sense to make videos on NQT hiring results when there is a no concrete update. So as of now, I am only making videos on MBA hiring and Ignite hiring. Whenever I get a solid clarity on NQT results, I will definitely make a separate video. I thought to mention it in the starting because many students are asking in the comments about NQT that why I'm not making video about NQT, because NQT is still not clear. I hope so it comes soon, because I can understand you must be frustrated, irritated. You are not sure what to do because you are waiting for the result and then you have to take a career decision. You are all right, and really, TCS, if anybody in TCS is hearing this, please release the results because students are waiting. And whenever I come to know something concretely solid, definitely I will make a video and update you. So now let's move on to the comments for the Ignite and Smart Hiring. Sir, what are the ILP location for smart candidate? I am from Bhubaneswar. My first preferred location is Bhubaneswar, second is Bangalore, third is Hyderabad. Then which will be my LP centers, Bhubaneswar is LP center of smart road. So basically all the locations have their requirement of smart candidate. Now it depends whether Bhubaneswar has requirement of smart candidate as of now. If they have the requirement, then you can get Bhubaneswar. If not, they will see where else you can be mapped. And mostly people get their preferred location in TCS. Sometimes they don't get it, sometimes they don't even get the first, second, and third altogether. They get some other location only. But majority of the times I have seen students get it. So you have to wait and watch to see what location you get. But one more thing is that in Smart, the joining and training location is same, whereas in ILP, sorry, in Ignite, the training location is Chennai or Kochi, whereas the joining location, is different. Okay, so that is one difference. Okay, next. So in gap affidavit, we have to submit medical certificate. If have medical issues of gap, but I take treatment from a clinic, so I have not medical certificate. What is the alternative I can go for? You, if that particular disease is cured, then you can mention that you had a medical issue which has been cured now. So I don't think so they will ask for a medical certificate for that. And anyway, you have to separately submit a medical certificate whose format I have already kept in the description box, so you can take it from there. So uh, if the disease is cured, you can mention you were facing some issues, now that has been recovered, so you took the gap for that. And if you don't want to mention medical issues, you can say you were preparing for some exam. If it was something, you can mention like that, so it's fine. Because medical issues, then it can get into some ifs and buts. So better, if you are all good now and if you have a clean medical certificate, you can give a reason for preparation of exams as well, to avoid any kind of you know troubles to invite. Next, sir, I am having a problem while filling background check form. The problem is that after filling reference data, I click 722. Okay, so basically, you should try from a different browser, or different laptop, or maybe you can try from phone. If it still doesn't work, give some time, because sometimes the portal is also not behaving properly, and that can also be the reason. So try it after some time, is something I can suggest, and do the basic troubleshooting of using different browser, clearing the cookies and all those things. It should work. Okay, anybody who has given the interview smart one, this is the offer letter. Some students have got it. Sir, what does survey mail means? I and some of my friends got it on 30th July and already responded. Can you clarify? Survey mail is to take the inputs from the students about their joining readiness, that when they are ready to join, when is their exam getting completed, when is that they will be getting the certificates of their course. So all this data helps them to understand how many students are ready to be onboarded, because the students whose exams are not done cannot be onboarded. That is why they do the survey to understand, how many candidates can be onboarded. Next, for BGC's address proof and passport compulsory to be submitted, or we can submit at the time of joining. So basically, when you will get your joining, you have to complete your BGC. And address proof is one thing. If you don't have it, you can get a rent agreement or get an affidavit for that. Passport, again, you can apply for passport, and you can upload the just application that you have got after applying for it, so it will work. So whatever documents you have, you can update, you can submit and close the BGC. When you will get your joining, you can upload the remaining documents. But yes, definitely, when your joining will come, they will ask for address proof, because address is one thing that is verified in the background check. So there should be some address proof. Next, sir, I have already filled the BC form uploaded documents. Now I'm waiting for the links of correct process. Yeah, you need to submit it, and when you will get your joining, they will again ask you to upload the BGC documents, and that is where you can upload the remaining documents. What is the time limit of document verification after getting the offer letter? I think I'm not clear with the question, because first you get the document verification, then you get the offer letter. So that is for offer letter. And if you are confused with background check, then background check is something that will happen once you get your joining intimation. So once you get a joining intimation, they will ask you to upload all the documents of background check, and then they will do the background check then. Next, and my friends got a survey mail and the response on my side about the offer letter DB mail. Can I consider rejection? Please tell me, sir. My interview goes very well, and I also cleared the first round and I given the HR round. And my interview held on 10th July. And my friend got offer letter also. And yesterday he got the survey mail. Please tell me how much time I wait in my portal show bashed. So basically, you should wait for, I think, 1 or 2 more weeks, because still offer letters are being sent out. So if your interview was good, you should keep hope. So that will be something I would recommend you. So for smart candidate, this said I didn't get any update. This means I'm rejected. Smart candidate, some of the smart candidates have got the result. I came to know, but don't worry. They sometimes they release the result in batches. So you, if your interview was good, you can also hope for it. Wait for 1 or 2 weeks before concluding that you are not selected. Sir, can you tell me what is Wings One? Are Ignite candidates eligible? Yes, basically Wings One is a TCS internal program to increase the competency and package of students. So every student who joins TCS as a technical candidate is eligible for Wings 1, and then you have to do certain internal certifications. So basically, when you will join in your induction program, the training and development department will explain you about Wings 1 program in detail, what all you have to do. So you will get all the details there. But yeah, it's one of the internal TCS program to increase the learning and salary of the candidates. So, and yes, all the technical guys are eligible for this. So how to crack it is something you should ask in your induction session to the training and development team. Next, I have given interview 9th July at Lucknow for small disease of infection. So basically, results came region wise. Some region release it fast, some region takes time. So if it has not come for you, wait for some more time. Okay, uh, and be positive. If your interview was good, you should get the mail of selection. So when should I issue affidavit? Should I take it after getting joining letter? Yes, yes. You get your joining letter 2 weeks before. So if you and affidavit can be prepared in 1 day also. So better you get the affidavit once you get a joining. Next, I attended Ignite interview 10 July, but my students still wedged into conferences offer letter, but I did not meet expect get offer letter. Basically, the if your friends are from the same college and if they have got it and you have not got it, then there could be less chances because the results of a particular college is declared, at one go. But again, you know, I think that better it's to wait for some more time to conclude that you are rejected. But if your friends have got it, then there are less chances, but still be positive what it is taking to be positive. So be positive and wait for 1 or 2 weeks. If you don't get it by next week, then you can think maybe you're rejected, but let's hope for the best till then. Wait, I don't know if नहीं आया हो. Okay, okay. Only people are asking about particular location. Those locations student can only comment, so I'm skipping those comments. So is there anything I didn't upload? Document BGC, they don't give me a joining letter because I have to change my address, Aadhaar card, and upload a passport, also birth certificate. So basically, you should have an address proof, and you can apply for passport, and that application of passport can be uploaded for BGC. And if you don't have birth certificate, you can get the birth affidavit. So that can be prepared in 1 day. So yes, address proof should be there because they have to do the background check of your address. So if you don't have the address proof, you can again get a rent agreement or an affidavit made that can be used. So nothing as such is there left which will affect your joining. So all the documents that you mentioned can be prepared. Okay. Next. Sir, I received the offer on 10th August and accepted on the same day, but I have not filled the BC form yet as some doubt. I have e-PAN card and signatures not updated. Can I upload this local e-PAN card and should I update it? You can upload e-PAN card. What is an SRE card? How should I apply for it? NSRE card is a National Skills Registry Initiative wherein they register all the IT employees on their platform and they give a unique IT pin. So that is one thing that you have to do. It is a formality because they want all the IT people to register for NSR. So you also have to register for it. You can do that on NSR website. They will ask you to do the KYC. After that, you will get your IT pin, and that is enough. My birth certificate is in Hindi and English language, but it does not have my name. If it does not have your name, it is of no use. So you need to get a birth affidavit. I do not have passport yet. Apply for the passport and upload the acknowledgement form of the passport that you get after applying for it. I do not have professional degree yet. I have applied for it and get it few days. Should I fill the VC form or first prepare documents? You can upload your all semester mark sheet or a bona fide certificate that your course is completed and you have overall this much CGPA. That will also work. So nothing to worry about it. If you get your professional degree in some days, anyway, you will again get a chance when you will get your joining to upload the documents again for the background check, and that is where you can upload your background check documents again, remaining documents. So I completed TCS Smart Hiring 24 exam on 16 July 25 until I'm getting results about the exam. Wait for some more day. Okay, so that is all I can say. Okay, I am tired of waiting. It has been months. I didn't get my joining letter. I got the offer letter earlier, which is just dates and salary and rules. I got my 7th July. When will I get a joining letter? I can understand your state of mind. It's quite frustrating that we don't get the joining letter, but that is how it is, and you don't have any choice but to wait because joining happens in batches. Some students are getting it, so you will also get it. I would recommend that you use your time to increase your learning. So do some courses so that you are occupied, because if you sit simple and wait for the joining letter, it would be a more frustrating experience for you. Okay. Sir, I have given my interview on April 23 for Smart Tool and I also did my operator on June. But still, I didn't say joining completion. Joinings are coming in batches. The students who have got their uh, given their interviews in April have are getting their joining. So wait for some time because it happens in batches. So maybe your chance will come in the next batch. Okay. Next, applicant admission to MC program college has kept my original documents. At the same time, I will be joining as a smart candidate next month. They might ask me for my final mark sheet. Will the company require the original mark sheet or okay, firstly, don't. It is not right on the college part to submit your original documents because that's illegal. Because nobody can take your original documents. Okay, but now since they have taken it, the other thing is that the xerox copy of the mark sheet should be sufficient because it shows that you have completed the course. But never give your original documents to anyone because that is not right. You never know when somebody can ask for it. Okay, and then you will be into trouble. Rishu, I have answered your query in the MBA video as well, so you can check that. So I got an offer letter a few days ago for Ignite Road in Pune. Many congratulations. So मैंने इंटरव्यू था 8 जुलाई को पुणे में for Ignite में still I didn't see the update from DC about the post with me. They got offer letter result but I didn't see any update. मेरा इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा गया था. I was pretty sure I'm going to start the same update and selection next to mission कर रहा है. Be positive. If your interview was good, then wait for some more time with hope. You can wait till next week because इंटरव्यू कभी कभी रिजल्ट्स कभी बैचेस में शेयर होते आते हैं तो मे बी योर हैज़ नॉट कम सो डोंट गेट नेगेटिव वेट विथ होप फॉर फ्यू मोर वीक्स ओके अगर उसके बाद भी नहीं आता तो हम मान सकते हैं कि यू आर नॉट सिलेक्टेड बट अगर आपका इंटरव्यू अच्छा गया था तो आपको होप रखनी चाहिए ठीक है ओके all right, so next I'm in a Tamil Nadu region. I got offers in the casino joining it documentation. It is joining comes in batches and it is already coming for some students. I hope yours will also come soon. Okay. All right. So I think we have covered all the comments. Thank you so much. If you have any more queries, let us know in the comment section. We'll make another video to answer them. Thank you so much.